If you can only invest $10 a day, this video is for you. We're going to cover one of my favorite investing strategies that even the world's greatest investors use. Save just $10 per day, which is equivalent to around 30 cents per hour if you work an 8-hour workday. To be clear, this video is not meant to encourage overworking. I want you to find ways to earn this money more efficiently. You deposit your $10 into your account and decide to invest it all into Tesla stock at a price of $700 per share. After 1 month, assuming no stock price changes, you would have earned around $150 in total. Not bad. This is the average annual return of the S&P 500 since 1980. As you can see, most years the market goes up, but occasionally there are crashes, and businesses tend to grow over time. So do the stock prices. That means if you keep buying stocks regularly, your investment will also grow over time. Stock prices can go down as well as up, and there's no guarantee that you'll make money. However, if you're reinvesting for the long term and are willing to ride out the ups and downs of the market, you're likely to come out ahead. However, if you look at the overall trend, you can see that the market always recovers and continues to go higher and higher. But now let's fast forward to 1 year. In this example, you would have invested $360 in total and made a profit of around $500. That's an ROI of 40% in just 1 year. Plus, you won't have to worry about timing the market or picking the right stocks because you're rebuying into the entire market with each. So give it a try and see how much money you can make in just 1 year. If you're investing less than $100 a day, you shouldn't have to pay any trading fees. And if you're investing more than that, you might consider upgrading to a platform that offers fee-free trades. Maybe you could sell lemonade, create content, or do other side hustles. The possibilities are endless. As you can see, the line starts off flat because it takes some time to start seeing results. However, after 2 years, you would have made over $1,000. And after 5 years, your investment would be worth almost $3,000. I post new videos every week about investing, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. Have a great day. With just $10 per day, you could have enough money saved up to buy yourself a Tesla. It's called the $10 a day challenge. Let's get right into it. The idea behind this challenge is simple. They are an investing platform that makes it fun and engaging to learn about investing. Now let's continue. But why only $10? Why not 5 or 20? Well, we have to remember the power of compounding. By investing this small amount every single day, we will have more money at the end of the month than someone who invests $100 once. And by the end of the year, our portfolio will grow exponentially. Here's a little secret. This video is sponsored by our platform. As an example, let's say you find a way to earn $10 every single day and invest it. This graph shows the exact numbers for how much you would make if you invested $10 a day into Tesla stock. So what if the stock prices drop? Well, we need to take a look at this graph. If you think about it, investing in stocks is like buying a small piece of a business. Now let's talk about fees. Investing should not cost you a lot of money. Finally, it's important to remember that investing involves risk. This $10 a day challenge is a great way to start investing without risking a lot of money. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.